Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks for your favorite apps. Today, we're diving into something straightforward yet essential: how to view your Revolut card number in 2025. With Revolut's ongoing updates for better security and user experience, this process is quicker than ever, but we'll walk you through it step by step so you can do it confidently. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of the Revolut app installed on your device. Head to your App Store, search for Revolut, and update it if needed. The 2025 features include enhanced privacy options that make everything smoother. Once that's done, open the app and log in using your secure method, like a PIN, fingerprint, or Face ID. Security is a big focus in 2025, so take that extra second to stay protected. Now, once you're logged in, navigate to the main dashboard. Look for the Cards tab, usually at the bottom of the screen. It's designed to be super intuitive. Tap on it, and you'll see a list of your cards if you have more than one. Select the card you want to view. It could be your virtual or physical one. Next, on the card details page, you'll find an option like View Card Number. Go ahead and tap that. In 2025, Revolut might prompt you for a quick identity verification, such as entering a one-time code sent to your phone or using biometric confirmation. This is just to keep your info safe from prying eyes. After verification, your card number will pop up on the screen. You can copy it directly, take a screenshot, or even use it for transactions. Remember, always handle sensitive details carefully to avoid any risks. And that's it, you're all set. Viewing your Revolut card number is now easier and more secure than before. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.